Many years ago, we earned the National Blue Ribbon that honors school excellence. And most recently, we've achieved STEM accreditation from the Ohio Department of Education. So we're an official STEM school. One of the great opportunities we provide for our students here is our career technical education pathways. We looked at employability gaps within the Central Ohio area to identify key areas that our community is underserved in and that students could find high-demand, well-paying jobs by providing them with a lot of the background training here for free in high school, so that by the time they graduate, they're able to move right into that career or right into a post-secondary education program with college credits, with those credentials, and with that experience ready to go. So we identified areas like engineering and manufacturing, health and biomedical sciences, information technology, as well as interactive media.
Through the CTE programs, students learn a lot of skills. They also will have opportunities for internship, for apprenticeship.
For my medical terminology class, they get college credits, and then the other class gets certifications. So every class that you take for mine really helps you along the pathway if you end up in healthcare. If not, you still get college credits.
I'm teaching an engineering pathway. We have engineering lab fully equipped with high-tech machines to earn industrial recognized credentials. Students learn how to program industrial robots.
I see robots everywhere, machine, and I feel like I want to do this. I want to be here. That's my happiness.
We get to use robots. It's it just trains me for my future.
At PLC, students learn how to wire PLC.
If you're looking for engineering or medical pathway, this is a school you should go to.
We have CCP classes where College Credit Plus, where a lot of our students do graduate with an associate's probably before they graduate with a high school diploma.
Through College Credit Plus program, around 100 of our students are taking college courses from regional colleges and universities. Last year, 6 of our students graduated with associate's degree.
With our CTE program, students are able to pick a pathway, and once they're done with that pathway, they get opportunities in college, such as college credits, so that they don't have to take some of the same classes again.
For students who are not going to go to college, they can find jobs or better paying jobs right after high school, and also they can sponsor their college education.
I started getting some credits for college. It's a really good opportunity to get your credits in before you actually start going to college, and you can get your associate's degree by the time you're a senior.
It's a great way for a student to advance from normal high school classes into college classes. It gets us prepared for the future.
And so we really help the students understand what's out there in the industry. So in my profession and the other ones, we're really showing them what to expect when they get out into college and beyond college. We're trying to give them the most realistic experience they possibly can have at the high school level.
One of our students got accepted into Harvard last year, and I know that she was accepted into a lot of the Ivy League schools, and that's the school that she chose to go to. And I think that's a huge achievement for us, because a lot of charter schools, yeah, they have graduates, but how many of our charter schools can say, our students go to Ivy League colleges? Our students graduate and can work at a hospital immediately, or work in an engineering manufacturer building with all the certifications they need to start right away and get paid decent money.
CYSP is our Concept Youth Scholars Program. It helps the students in a lot of different areas academically, with character development, with taking tests like the SAT or the graduation tests that they're required to score proficient to graduate. It also gives them experiences of different cultures, and they can do college visits. We take field trips for different events, and now we're also looking at doing trips either internationally or within the United States.
I like it because you interact with others. Also, you get community service.
They also take us to field trips, which are, I think they're pretty amazing.
We do SAT prep, we take college, like field trips, like we go to different colleges and like kind of like tour around.
My education that I'm receiving here compared to a school where you would have to pay tuition for, like a private school, is one and the same, even though I don't have to pay for an education here, but I'm still receiving the same amount of quality, which really speaks towards the teachers and the school itself.
If you're looking to be one step ahead, you should definitely come here.
It's a good school, they teach well. My daughter was not doing too good when she was in the other school, so when she came here, her grades improved very well.
Most thing I like about Horizon Science Academy is the sports clubs. There are so many clubs and opportunities for students that who goes here. We have so many sports, so many fun things to do here.
Horizon is just a place of opportunities. It's just somewhere you can go to really prepare yourself for the future.
We've been a growing school with lots of programs, lots of kids, and lots of interests, but we've been kind of confined by our walls. So coming into the 23-24 school year is an exciting expansion opportunity. We've been able to obtain a new building, so we're going to be able to grow our student body, grow our staff, and grow the opportunities we have.